Welcome back to Go's Moto channel. Today, we have an exciting review for all you motorcycle enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive deep into the 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom, a bike that combines classic cruiser styling with modern performance. Let's get started. The first thing that catches your eye with the 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom is its timeless design. With option ABS, as well as a rear disc brake, the Shadow Phantom also gets a styling makeover, starting from flashier paint, gaitered forks, a new headlight cover, and new LED front and rear turn signals. Under the hood, or in this case, under the tank, you'll find a powerful 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. This engine not only provides a satisfying rumble but also delivers a smooth and responsive performance. It's perfect for both city cruising and highway adventures, making it a versatile ride for riders of all levels. Up front, the single round headlight is surrounded by a revised headlight cover. Honda has also upgraded both front and rear turn signals to LEDs. Both front and rear fenders have been reshaped for a more minimalist bobber look, with the rear fender substantially shorter, though that does come at the expense of a passenger seat. Honda says the single seat is more comfortable, and its 25.6-inch height is 0.2 inches closer to the ground than the previous two-up seat. A new passenger seat and pegs are now available as accessories for those who plan on traveling two-up. Losing the seat and trimming the fender do contribute to a 6-pound weight reduction, with Honda claiming a 543-pound curb weight for the non-ABS 2024 Shadow Phantom. However, the ABS version ends up negating that weight loss with a claimed curb weight of 553 pounds. The 2024 Shadow Phantom also gets a new handlebar and handlebar clamp that positions the grips higher and further forward compared to the previous model. The 3.7-gallon fuel capacity remains unchanged, but the tank-mounted instrumentation has been updated. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom is a remarkable cruiser motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic aesthetics with modern performance and safety features. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your two-wheeled journey, this bike has something to offer. It's a head-turner on the streets and a joy to ride. Thanks for joining us today for this review of the 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle reviews and other exciting content. And, as always, ride safe out there.